All the SQL queries we've done up to this point have returned individual observations. Sometimes we want to summarize observations in one or more ways. So let's have a look at how we do that. There's a number of ways we can summarize things. These are called known as aggregation functions. So these are functions that are going to take the table and then you're going to return some kind of aggregated result. So for example, if I do count star of all of the, so star, remember, indicates all the values, I just get a single number, which is in fact the number of rows in the data set. So count is an aggregation function. There are others. So we have, for example, sum. We can find out the total weight in grams of all critters ever caught in the survey. It's quite a bit. So wow, so that's like just over a metric ton, 1.3 metric tons, looks like, worth of small mammals. That's a lot of small mammals. And if we wanted to do that in kilograms, all of the other things that we've been working on still work. So you could do round to 3 decimal places, the sum of weight divided by 1,000 with our decimal place after it. So now we're getting 1,377 kilograms worth of critters caught. And you notice that this is kind of an awkward thing. If we wanted to use this, for example, in this result here, or the name of this result, in an order by or something farther down, we'd have to type this whole thing out again, which would be annoying. There's actually an easy way to do that. I'm going to introduce it here. And that is to use what is called an alias. So we just say as, so the keyword here is as total weight. So what that means is going to basically refer to this variable here using this new name. Then we can use that new name in the query as well. So that's all quite a useful exercise. Okay, so this is fine, right? We're getting the total weight of all of our critters. But what if we wanted to do this not for all years together, but for each year? Well, so what we need to do then is we would want to add year here. And let's just see what happens if we do that. Year and round. Okay, that doesn't really help us, right? Because this just gives us the last year of data collection. So the keyword that we're looking for here is group by, which should be familiar to you from dplyr in R. So here we go. So let's do select year and round, weight, and surveys group by year. Oops. Component returned failure code. What is that? Oh, because this SQL keyword has a space in it. That's why. There we go. Okay, so now we can see the total weight in kilograms of all the critters caught in each of the different years. And so they range from 12 kilograms in 1977 up to 75, 76 kilograms, 98 kilograms. Wow, that was a lot of animals in that year. So the total biomass captured is varies by year. Now, if we wanted to find So we could also do this by species, right? So we could do by species ID. And order by total weight descending. So hopefully this is going to give me the total weight again. Oops, I'm going to change here to species ID. Oops, ID. So I'm going to get total weight of each species, and they're going to be grouped from what did we catch the most of? DMs, Dipodomys, Mela something or other. 442 kilograms of those, down to subspecies for which we never got the weights for. So they all have null values, and some other very rare species as well.